Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This boat comes equipped with a Sea Ray blue hull color. This boat has a Mercury 150 4-stroke engine. Also has the sea deck option for the swim platform and the walkthrough. Ski tow bar for all your water activities. Coming into the boat, walk-through transom. In the back you've got this nice sun pad and all the storage inside. This boat is going to have dual bucket seats, flip up thigh bolsters. Here at the helm you have a Simrad digital dash GPS sonar, fusion stereo. Over on the port side, nice glove box that's lockable. Storage inside under the console area. Moving forward, you have wraparound seating, speakers, and grab handles. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.